Hello everyone, this is Admiral Playerovski bringing you Atlantic Fleet. Single battle. Haha, you thought I was going to say campaign, Royal Navy. Nope, not this time. And that's because I have received a suggestion. Although I will concede it is based heavily on mission number 34, I think, of the Kriegsmarine campaign. And the suggestion was kind of interesting, I guess, because it said that what if instead of the Bismarck you took into battle the Admiral Graf Spee alongside the H-39s, so the Hutton and Berlichingen. And they would take on exactly the same. They would take on the let's get to them. Oh, they would take on the Renown first of all, the battle cruiser, and alongside Renown there would be the Illustrious and the Formidable. Illustrious class aircraft carriers, two of them in fact. With the Germans having the initiative this time, because that's the way it was in the mission, so we'll do it that way. Now, I know that I usually, actually, do you know what, I'll stick to it, because we've already seen me play it as the Germans, so we'll have me play as the British forces this time around. If I'm honest, I'm a bit nervous. And the reason for that is because, well, yeah, the battle cruiser could take out the Graf Spee, but if the H-39s score hits on the aircraft carriers, I'm basically finished, because the Renown won't be able to take down everything. But here we go. Let's do it anyway. Hold tight. Hold tight. There's the Berlichingen. Short. Here comes the Hutton. No! Ooh! Just long. And here comes the Admiral Graf Spee. Long. And I'm just going to say that we've got a pretty terrible positioning here. The battle cruiser is at the back, and we've got both of our aircraft carriers exposed to the big battleships. So it's, yeah, my tactics for this will be to just have the Renown make smoke and let the carriers do their work. As you can see, the wind here is blowing straight in the direction that I'm going, so a smoke screen from the Renown should, in theory, cover the carriers, I hope. The wind is, yeah, it's quite a strong wind. It's not a light blue, but not the darkest blue. Like the second type of blue. Not the light blue, not the super dark blue, but just sort of in the middle. Right, we'll have the Renown make smoke, therefore. Let's have a look what that'll do. Smoke screen from the Renown will... Yeah, go on. A little bit more. Not quite. It almost reaches... It covers the Illustrious just fine, but unfortunately, it doesn't quite reach the Formidable. Either way, we've got to get these out of here, so let's get you out. Now we've got, what have we got in terms of guns? 16 4.5-inch guns, but that's of course not the primary armament that we want. We want some torpedo bombers, I think. Or do we? Go on, let's get them prepped. We've got the Illustrious here as well. If we get her up to flank as well, have her turn hard to starboard. Now, if we were to fire at the Germans, can they see us? The Graf Spee can see us. What? All of them can see us? What? How is it? Oh my gosh, so all of them can see us basically then? Well, that's rubbish. I thought we'd be good. Well, let's get some torpedo bombers on the Illustrious prepped as well then. Here we go. Oh no! Not good, not good, not good, not good, not good. Please miss, please miss. Yes, go on. Alright, that's just about fine. Last one. We can get through this. Oh, right, we should be fine, I think. I think we should be fine. Get him up to flank or not? Well, let's take the Renown down to 1/3 speed this time. Carry on making the smoke screen. There we go. Now, will it reach the Formidable this time? Not quite. How are you doing? AAA is lightly damaged. We're going to be able to do it, I think. We'll be able to launch some airstrikes then. Hard starboard turn. Now they're already, and the flight deck is, well, it's a little bit hurt, but we can still launch the aircraft, I think. Let's just zoom in a little bit and watch the planes fly off. Launch! There we go. Hi! Look at that! Right, now we've got the Illustrious covered by the smoke screen. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, we want that. Another hard starboard turn. I think we'll escape the smoke screen now. Yeah, we will a bit. I shouldn't have slowed the Renown down, should I? That's a mistake on my part. But what we can do is launch more aircraft. There we go. Uh-oh. No! Ugh. One hit. Possibly two, depending on how you look at it. Ah! Alright. Long. Right. Graf Spee. Oof! That's one hit. That is one hit. Right. You get back up to flank then. Carry on making smoke. Cover both of the carriers, really. That's what we're here to do. Continue running away. How are you doing overall? AAA is now heavily damaged, but we have got 8 torpedo bombers. So, who should we go for first? Berlichingen is really close. Hutton is close, and Graf Spee is in between. We'll go for the Berlichingen first then. If we go about here, let's just zoom out a little bit. Where should we put the torpedo? I reckon about, oh, I don't know, about here maybe? Just so that they can't get away, really. Yeah, go on. Launch. Here we go. Go. All right, that's one there. We've got one away. Illustrious now. Alright, we can pull this off potentially then. We can pull this off. Well, both of you go for the Berlichingen gun, because as soon as we knock one of them out, it's going to be much easier on several levels. Number one, we won't have 16-inch guns firing at us. It'll be at least 4 16-inch guns less. And number two, there'll be less AAA fire. Let's see if I perhaps have both in the same place, or one a little bit further away. Actually, no, we'll have this one a little bit there. About here, maybe. Alright, launch. Go! Right, here we go. We've got 2 torpedoes zooming towards the Berlichingen gun now. Here we go. Hits! Those look good. No! Ouch! Ouch! That's a fire. That is a fire. Oh. No! Oh no! No, that's bad. That's really bad. But here come the... well, not really. Oh no, Graf Spey's unleashing a broadside. No! Well, here we go. It's something. Have we hurt them in any way, or is that just gonna... or are they just gonna absorb those torpedoes in and basically gonna say, haha, nice. Oh, hello. Yes! Yes! We've got their pumps! Oh, yes. Go on. Alright, this could work. Oh my goodness. You can't make this up. You couldn't even make this up. That's brilliant. A little bit of a turn. Right, so let's make more smoke. How are you doing? What? Did... Yes! 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 She's gone! Oh, yeah! There we go, look at that! She looked like she wanted to blow up and roll over. Oh, yes. That's brilliant. That's 2 torpedoes to take out the Berlichingen gun. That's incredible. Yeah, propulsion, pumps and starboard secondaries, all with heavy damage. Oh, yes. Wonderful. That's brilliant. But we're not finished yet. We're not out of the woods. Oh, no, we're not. We are still very much in quite a, you know, scary situation. We still have 7 torpedo bombers left. So, what we will do is... where are the Germans? I can't see them. Oh, there they are. Right. What we will do is... no, not the Graf Spey. We'll go for the Hutton this time. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and then once we... well, I say once. If we manage to take out the Hutton, we will just... we can then have the Renown open fire on the Graf Spey, because at this point we will have the advantage, so to speak. Right, let's put the torpedoes about here. It's less AAA fire, so smaller chance of being shot down. Go! But there is still a chance of us getting shot down. So, you know, take it however you want. And the Illustrious, meanwhile, I think the Illustrious can just slight turn and continue running away. Yeah, the Renown needs to turn a bit more and get, you know, protect the carriers a little bit more. But anyway, let's go for the Hutton again. And we will put this torpedo about here, maybe? We'll try and... I'm going to try and replicate what happened just now. So don't, you know... Don't lynch me if it doesn't work. Don't court-martial me if it doesn't quite work out. I'm doing my best. Go! Alright, those are looking pretty good. Here we go. Alright, those look pretty good. Ouch! Annoyingly, that looks pretty good as well. Admiral Graf Speer firing. Oh, that's another 2 hits. Stay with me. Stay with me. Alright, so that's a fire. Right. We need to get the Renown into a better position. 15 degrees to starboard and make smoke. Continue laying the... Ouch! Oh, no, now my pumps are damaged as well. I mean, it does work both ways, I suppose. How's the Hutton doing? No, that's the Graf Speer. How about the Hutton? Yes! Yes, we've got the pumps again. Alright, this could work. Alright. I kind of managed to replicate it then. I got the bit where the pumps are damaged right. Alright, formidable. Wow. We're going to need a formidable effort from you to take out this battleship. Right. Alright, so we've partially replicated what happened with the Berlichingen gun. We managed to damage the pumps, but we didn't manage to replicate the part where the ship actually rolled over and sank. But they're going much slower now, so... if we put the torpedo about here, they're not going to be able to get past it, I don't think. Oh no, they shot the plane down. Oh dearie me. I mean, that is the risk that you take with the carriers. With an aircraft carrier, if they shoot your aircraft down, you're basically, you know, gone, so to speak. Oh dear. Well, that's obviously a setback. I was hoping for another 2 torpedoes into the Hudson to completely, you know, devastate it. But we will only get 1 torpedo away at most, keep in mind. Because they could shoot this one down as well. Here we go. Go! Oh no, I pressed it and it shot the thing down. Oh dear, this could be a big mistake for me now. This could be devastating for me. We could lose a carrier because of this now. The good news is that the German ships have missed. That's the good news. Right, we've got the Renown covering these. So if we now put the Renown into reverse, let's say, and starboard 15 maybe, make smoke. There we go. Right, you just carry on desperately trying to make your way out. Launch a couple more airstrikes their way and see how they like it. She's not in good shape. I'll just put that out there right here, right now. It just isn't overall. Right. 5 out of 8 still available. Oh, come on, really? That was... No, I'm sorry, I don't blame myself for that one at all. The previous one, yes, because I waited a little bit too long, but this one was way too early. With these ships, you do not want to drop the torpedoes too early. If you drop it too early, it'll run out of steam before it'll get to the target. Go! Right, there we go. Torpedo away. Here we go. This should be good. Good job. Right, one torpedo away. Oof! It just clipped the bow. It just clipped the bow. Graf Spee. Admiral Graf Spee. 6 11-inch shells. Off the starboard bow. Here we go. Alright. It's a hit. Are they going to roll over and sink? Yes! There we go. The Hutton is no more. That's incredible. 5 torpedoes and you take out the H-39 class. That's incredible. Wow. That's pretty amazing stuff, really, isn't it? Do you know what? Because we've been so successful with the torpedo planes, I think we'll just do the same thing for the Admiral Graf Spee. Just put a couple of torpedoes into her, or 3. Or who knows, this one could be the one that takes 5. But yeah, put a few torpedoes into her, and yeah, should be fine, I think. Oh, yes. Did we damage anything else? No, propulsion and pumps were heavy damage. Heavily damaged, I mean. Alright. Yeah, I suppose let's just move on to the Admiral Graf Spee. Yeah, I'll just have the Renown do the same thing. Smoke. Oh! Stay with me, Formidable. You've done some formidable work, so please stay with me. Stay with me. Right. We have got 4 more torpedo bombers. You can just about... Oh yeah, you can just about make out the Hutton over here sinking. Right, we've got the Admiral Graf Spee to deal with still, however. And she's undamaged completely. So, yeah, that's going to be quite challenging, isn't it? Well, not as challenging as, you know, getting good shots away on the battleships, but, you know, this is still a pocket battleship, so, you know, we could be in store for some surprises. Right, so 27.6 knots they're going at. Torpedo about here, maybe? Yeah, we'll put one about here. I think they'll reach that point. Yeah, they should do, I think. Go. There's just one ship. So the anti-aircraft fire... Go. Much reduced. Well, certainly compared to what it was before. Yeah, I'm hoping we can actually get 2 airstrikes away properly. Admiral Graf Spee. And we'll... Yeah, if we can get 2 torpedoes away, that's going to be really good. So this one was here. So if I put one more about here... Good result, potentially. Go. Alright, alright. Here we go. Oh, they've turned a bit, and they're aiming for the Renown as well. Interesting, that's interesting. They weren't really supposed to turn. Let's see their damage. What have we got? Have we hit anything important? Yeah. Of course. Of course we have. Propulsion, pumps, and starboard secondaries heavy damage. Oh, hang on. Is she... Yes, she is, as a matter of fact. Yes. Oh my goodness me. Wow. That's amazing. I wasn't expecting such an easy fight. I thought this would be much trickier. Wow. That's amazing. I just hope that they won't have scuttled the Formidable. If we can get the Formidable away with heavy damage, that's going to be quite amazing, I think. Alright, they're going under quite quickly, and this is, I think it's a short episode so far anyway, so we can watch the Admiral Graf Spee sink. That's amazing. So that's how many torpedoes? 2 for the Berlichingen, 5, 7. 7 torpedoes, that's my lucky number as well. Yes, 7 torpedoes to take out a pretty formidable German surface fleet. Wow. Well, just about see the stern go under. And there goes the Admiral Graf Spee. Alright, well, let's move. No need for a smokescreen this time, and no need to train your guns on anything renowned, for we have finished. But we're going to get back to the one that took the most punishment for this, and it's the Formidable. We're going to press done, and press done again. Here we go, hold your breath. Oh! Action report on the British side. The battlecruiser Renown received no damage. The aircraft carrier Formidable unfortunately scuttled for 23,000 tons. The aircraft carrier Illustrious, no damage. But here's look at the other side. On the German side, the battleships Berlichingen and Hutton sunk for 56,400 tons each. The heavy cruiser Admiral Graf Spee sunk for 12,000 tons. It's a score of 101,800. I mean, you will lose some ships in a war. It's unfortunate, but it does happen, unfortunately. We salute the crew of the Formidable. And that is all from Admiral Playerovski for this video. Can we get to 50 subscribers before we get to mission 50 in the campaign? Make it happen, guys. I think 7 torpedoes to take out this surface fleet deserves a subscription. Make it happen, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any suggestions for a custom battle, drop them below in the comments and I'll get right to them. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.